Hi kids! Today we'll learn to read 3-letter words of in family. In. Let's get started. In. Pin. In. Win. Let's read some more words. In. Bin. In. Fin. In. Pin. In. Win. Let's practice more. In. Bin. In. Fin. In. Pin. In. Sin. In. Tin. Your turn to read. Great job, kids. Good reading. Bye-bye, kids. See you later. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the more video updates. Link to all my phonics video is given in the description box. Keep watching.